Okay, guys. Hey, guys. Let's experience something of this Neo Cube stuff. Like it melted down here. Interesting facts. Interesting facts with the Game-tastic challenge. If you guys have to still like do this challenge, do it on this part. I'm getting insane scores down there. And I'll land it. What if I fully boost on it? Yo! Dude, how hard is it to snipe me? Snipe me now. You won't. If someone hits this shot and can send it to me, they'll get like 1 million viewers. Yo, I actually want to try this. What if I throw this one? Will it work? It's not like the cube, I think. Oh, it's so annoying to stop on it. Okay, what did we get out of it? Ooh. What about this one? Yo, that looks insane. Someone stands right there. Trying to shoot him down. Why is it not editing? I need to find some stuff so I can do dumb stuff. Scientist. I'm a dumb shit scientist if you didn't realize. Hey, Laser Beam. How you doing? Oh, what about this? And maybe this one? Let me just pick up this. I want to keep this carpet at all times. Ooh, let me just... No way! Where's it gonna land? I want it to go. Boom! Boom! What about this one? That one was not that cool. I gotta try to like do this. You all go way too far. This one is not that cool. Oh, please don't kill me, chest. I'm gonna hit this tree. Bye, Loot Lake House. want to try something. Am I? Oh, this looks epic. I thought I was gonna like get way higher. I mess around with the spiky steam. Let me just find it real quick. Spiky steam. Oh, I see it. I know also. Building an anti-gravity is like so hard. It's just you want to build faster than this, right? Like, who builds like that? Ah, this is so Oh. Look at this. Whee! Oops. Like, this is the world's most insane bouncy jumpy. Woo! No! Oh, that's a tactic. If you have one impulse next, go like this. See? This is a normal one. See that? You have like maybe it works if you run on it. Let me just try it. Sprint. No. See this. If you get a nice impulse throw, a flat one, see how fast you'll go. Maybe I can help it like a little bit. Oh, I hit my foot. This is not that cool. Like, I'll quickly go in a game of solos. Trying landing here. If I die, I'll stop. Maybe. There's gonna be a ton of people who are gonna land there. Dude, this new glider looks epic. See this? That looks like the Ragnarok. It looks like the Ragnarok. It's spit. I want to buy it, number 10. Like that. It would be made like way more fun if you could also change like your man itself. Let me just pause you guys. Let's go, guys. Look at this. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did I count that one? I'm not sure. I jumped way too late. I didn't thank the bus driver. Oh, what's happening to me today? Just please come, people. I'll go here. Oh no. Please. Let me just go there. No, no, no. Please, 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 please. Ooh, I wanted some kills with it. Ooh. Oh, yes, some more. Oh, no. Oh, oh. Let me just sit behind this rock for a sec. I don't think anyone will hit me on a snipe if I'm moving like that. Move, my little bastard! I could kill him with right fingers right now. Got me. Got him! I won it. Let's go. Please sting! Yo! Let me just sit behind this tree. Come on, hit him! Move to the gravity zone! Get free now! Catch you later! This won't make any hit markers. I'm out of here. Boy! So much people. Way too much people. Oh. No! Bye guys.